I'm back again. You don't know. I'm the Heinzing TV. I'm out here. You know the Heinz boss. I never represent for the good thing them. You know what I mean? Because when I like slackness around here, remember, you know, I'm just there. I'm coming to tell you the truth. Listen to me officer right now. Because I want to different. Because I want to surprise me to the core, brother. Listen what I want. Remember, me are the boss, you know? Yeah. I mean, do the bun off them. And I go say self-improvement. And I go say family connection. And you know what I go on right now? I see an article from the Star. A minister. Yeah, a minister. The person who considered to be the person who controls the church. The person who is the head of the church. The person who the family member would actually look up to for advice. The person who the kids would look up to teach them the word of the gospel. Guess what? That person had actually been charged for having sexual intercourse with a girl who is under the age of 16. Listen, I'm going to repeat it again. That person had been charged for having sexual intercourse with a girl who is under the age of 16. Who me say? A minister. The person who we should put our trust in. The person who should guide us along the way. Who consider to be the person who should teach us the gospel. Check it out. How much time I go answer them minister to them thing there? Over and over, right? I see I think I go around to my fight against Rasta. How much time ever answer Rasta to them thing there? How much time answer Rasta involved in those kind of activity? Think about it. Stop fighting against Rasta, man. And them people they are telling about. Look upon it. Them people there. I don't like them style there. You see it? I'm sure I go on. As I tell you, say, it's an article I see. You know what I mean? I'm going to read it. So the Star said, church minister among 5 charged with having sexual intercourse with minor. Church minister having sexual intercourse with minor. Alright. A church minister is among 5 people who have been charged with having sexual intercourse with a person under 16 in separate incidents in Clarendon, St. Catherine and St. Andrew. In the first incident, 32-year-old Ian Reed, a church minister of Tradelight district in Clarendon, was charged with having sexual intercourse with a person under 16 after he telephoned a 15-year-old, listen, a 15-year-old girl on Monday, July 20, and decided to meet with her at an abandoned building in his community where he had sexual intercourse with her. So see that? So the part, read that part here again. Actually, that part is saying that they had met up at an abandoned building in their community where he lives. So actually, see that? So the minister actually lived in the same community with the little girl. That means that the minister know her mother. Possibility, if the father live close by, him know the father. Him know the family member them. Possibly, in some way, maybe the mother even attend the same church. Think about that. You never hear a Rasta man for Bobo Hill them thing yet. Over and over I hear about the minister doing this kind of activity. But you know, fight against Rasta don't. In a church. Think about it. Look into yourself. Listen to me. Let me say one thing. Beyonce have a song where she said, if I were a boy. But don't think me I go say if I was a girl. That different. If I could be the person who could set or change a rule for the day, the rule I will set will actually be, guess what? Let me tell you. You see the minister them, you see the police them, you see the teacher them, the people them who are actually in high society who could actually set rule, who they consider us to look up to as citizens, if they do such action, yes, we are going to hang them. So guess what? So like this minister, Mr. Reed, yes, because they start already calling him, you can call him too. Legal for that. Because they start already you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? They come from Clarendon. The capital of Clarendon. Maypen. Me are going to hang it on Maypen Square. If you come from Mobile, St. James, yes. Me are going to hang it on Parade. Yes. And guess what again? If you come from Senti, me carry a black river on the safari. Public spot. If you come from Falmouth, anywhere but Chilani, me I carry down a port, down in a town, but the people there's enough to see you. Me I use it as an example. Me not have, listen up, right now, him waste the judge time. He waste the police them transport him to the court time. Him will go to prison or jail, go waste taxpayer food, the money. Him not forgot them place there. Them not forgot this so. Him use him as an example. Alright, now I'll show you something. I bet if I do a Rasta man do that today, it'll hear what going on. Guarantee right now he must go to prison. Look on it. Me I tell you. Mr. Bro God, any visitor rulers, any one of them people in high society who should be taking care of the kids, do such activity, we hang them in a make like square and put it on YouTube. Yes. People will learn. People get used to going to jail and going to prison these days. Remember that man? Because if a man this intelligent, yo, I say I'm afraid of prison, I'm afraid of jail, you know. I'm afraid of dead. You know, I'm dead. So man order them things, especially when it comes to police, teacher, minister, and them big people who will actually think about guide the picking them or protect the picking them. Yes, you hang them in a big like town. Example, they use him as especially the minister, because guess what? The parents is always looking or seeking information, seeking guidance, seeking some kind of counseling from the minister, because they put all their trust. Because I remember saying them don't preach to you until they say okay, half him coming up. When you walk him on your car, go after head come get him, you know. Know what I mean? So the inside God said that, but that different. I not go to church, so I'm gonna pray them something. I pray for myself and my home. I have my own belief. And don't question it. I might tell you one day still. But not right now. But I just feel away if you know say yo. Worse is a minister of them kind of activity. Or if you I will take care of your kids then. Yes. So I need to solve that. No joke. Cut up about it. Because I'm done telling us, you see it? The family connection, brother. Yeah, mama, I know anything go. But guess what? And just stay cool, you know, and go and be wise. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. You know what I mean? Just continue to do the right. And keep the guy posted what I go on. Burn off them. Self-improvement them. You know what I mean? Tell about the connection of the family. Or you're supposed to adjust yourself to whatever situation. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. When you adjust yourself and hang them, boy. So guess what? I'm out.